Hi, today we are going to do simultaneous equations with three variables. Example, x plus y plus z equals 2, 6x minus 4y plus 5z equals 31, 5x plus 3y plus 2z equals 11. So first of all, we have to label the equations. So equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Then step 2, we have to select an unknown to be eliminated. So equalize the coefficients and eliminate by selecting two pairs of equations. So I select z to be eliminated. So take equation 1 and equation 2 and eliminate z. So if you take equation 1 and equation 2, then you can see coefficients 5 and here 1. So to equalize coefficients, equation 1 must be multiplied by 5. So we have to multiply first equation by 5 and subtract equation 2. So when you multiply first equation by 5, you get 5x plus 5y plus 5z, subtract, then second equation, that is 6x minus 4y plus 5z equals first equation right hand side, that is 2 times 5 minus second equation right hand side, that is 31. Then continue writing 5x plus 5y plus 5z, then expand the bracket by minus times 6x minus 6x minus times minus 4y plus 4y minus times 5z minus 5z equals 2 times 5, 10, 10 minus 31, that is minus 21. Okay, plus 5z minus 5z get cancelled, then 5x minus 6x, that is minus x, plus 5y plus 4y, that is plus 9y equals minus 21. That is equation number 4. Then we have to take another pair of equations and eliminate z. So I select equation 1 and equation 3 and eliminate z. So if you take equation 1 and equation 3, z coefficients 1 and 2. So first equation we have to multiply it by 2 to make coefficients equal. So what I'm going to do is equation 1 multiplied by 2 and subtract equation 3. So when you multiply equation 1 by 2, you get 2x plus 2y plus 2z, subtract equation 3, 5x plus 3y plus 2z equals 2 times equation 1 right hand side, that is 2 times 2, subtract, then right hand side of equation 3, that is 11. Then I write 2x plus 2y plus 2z, expand the bracket by minus times 5x minus 5x, minus times plus 3y minus 3y, minus times plus 2z minus 2z equals 2 times 2, 4, 4 minus 11, that is minus 7. Then plus 2z minus 2z get cancelled. Then 2x minus 5x, that is minus 3x. 2y minus 3y, that is minus y, equals minus 7. That is equation 5. Step 3. Now you have two equations of two unknowns, that is x and y here. Solve the equations and find them, x and y. So I write the equations first here, that is minus x plus 9y equals minus 21, equation 4. Minus 3x minus y equals minus 7, that is equation 5. Then I select y to be eliminated. So to eliminate, coefficients has to be equal. So first equation 4, coefficient 9, then I have to make here also 9. So I have to multiply equation 5 by 9. So the process is multiply equation 5 by 9 and add equation 4. So I write equation 4 add equation 5 multiplied by 9. So equation 4 left hand side, that is minus x plus 9y, add then 9 times equation 5 left hand side, that is 9 times minus 3x, that is minus 27x. 9 times minus y, it is minus 9y, equals equation 4 right hand side, that is minus 21, add 9 times equation 5 right hand side, that is 9 times minus 7, that is minus 63. Then I write minus x plus 9y, then expand the bracket, that is plus times minus minus 27x plus times minus 9y minus 9y equals minus 21 plus minus 63, that is minus 84. Then plus 9y minus 9y get cancelled. Minus x minus 27x, that is minus 28x, equals minus 84. Then both sides divide by minus 28. Then 28 get cancelled. X remains. Minus 84 divided by minus 28, that is 3. Then I'm going to substitute x equals 3 in equation 4. So that is minus x plus 9y equals minus 21. Since x equals 3, minus x means minus 3. Minus 3 plus 9y equals minus 21. Then subject 9y, so we have to send minus 3 to the other side. So it becomes plus 3. So 9y equals minus 21 plus 3. Then 9y equals minus 21 plus 3, that is minus 18. Then both sides divide by 9. So 9 get cancelled. Y equals 18 divided by 9, that is 2. Minus divided by plus, that is minus. So y equals minus 2. X equals 3. Then we have to find z. So step 4, substitute x and y values to one of the given equations and find z. Substitute x equals 3, y equals minus 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y plus z equals 2. So x equals 3, y equals minus 2 plus z equals 2. 3 plus minus 2, that is 1. 1 plus z equals 2. Then when you subject z plus 1s into the other side, it becomes minus 1. So z equals 2 minus 1, z equals 1. So x equals 3, y equals minus 2, z equals 1 is the final answer. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.